Alright, what's up guys? So today we made 1k trading Nasdaq before 10 a.m. So I'll do a trade breakdown. So I am testing this new prop firm, Take Profit Trader. So I got a 25k account with them. So I did make 1k, but with consistency rule on it, I need to make 50%. So my max is 750 that I could make. But I need to trade 5 days with them. So yeah, if you guys know the rules and everything. So I got 500 right there. But as you can see in this picture, easily 1k, okay? So I was gonna say, yeah, so I'm still with Top Step. I do have a 50k with them. But like I said, this is way more interesting. Daily payouts, and you get not only 50%, you can get 100%, of a payout you request. On Top Step, you need to wait 5 days, get $200 plus and everything. This daily payouts. Only problem is their intraday drawdown, but once you meet the buffer and everything, it should be easy. And once you feel the daily payouts, it's motivating. You see the money in real time coming in and everything. So yeah, I'll use those for now. I'll use this prop firm for now and see how it goes. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, all I ask is just for you guys to subscribe, and yeah, let's start. So we had news at 10, but nothing to worry about. And yeah, I'll break down Nasdaq, and right afterward I want to show you guys something on YM too. So if you guys want to see that, I'll show that later. So yeah, so like always, mark the sessions, and tomorrow or the day after I'll do a week breakdown on every trade. I'll be back testing every trade from Monday to Friday, because this week was very nice. Every day had a clean setup, to be honest, so I'll be doing a video on that. So yeah, now we marked up everything. Go on the 4-hour. I seen this gap right there. Up on the 1-hour time frame, we adjusted it, and right there, as we can see already, 6 we rejected, and 9 we filled in the gap and rejected again. So yeah, very clean day today. Go on the 5-minute. Before I go on the 5-minute, on the 4-hour, this is the general gap, right? The general area of the gap. 1 hour, we confirmed it with this and this. Now, we had a gap right there. I didn't mark it. Why? Because we already confirmed that this is the main gap right there. Just for you guys to know. Now, my trade that I took was this right there. But yeah, let's get into it. As we can see, I was waiting for London low to fill in and then reject so I can enter, right? Get my confirmation and my entry. Now what ended up happening is 905. What ended up happening is it filled in this zone right there and then rejected. So I didn't enter. But I know that this zone now is an entry point. So I just marked it up for in the future when price comes back, I can enter. So from there I was waiting. This gap filled in. I didn't take this trade. I should have. Could have been done way earlier, but yeah. This gap, there's no need for confirmation since we already got confirmation right there. And no need to adjust it, to adjust the gap, because as we can see right there, 640, 45, 50. It's already confirmed. So yeah. So here we had our first trade. I didn't take, but this was the first trade idea. Now, I didn't take it, so I was waiting, and then 9:30 we filled in London, but I entered right away once it filled in this zone. Why? Because we got confirmation This is a strong candle right there with this. And my stop loss is wide enough that I wouldn't care, you know, if it filled in London too, which it did. So yeah, from there I got my 122 not even 5 minutes later, and I was done. Okay, but like I said, with the rule, same thing as top step with the combine, can't make more than 50%. So that's right there. But yeah, on take profits, I still need like 5 trading days and stuff like that. So yeah, slowly but surely we'll pass the account and see how the prop firm goes. Okay, so now we know the strategy on Nasdaq, right? I want to show you guys something on YM that I'll be backtesting for myself and seeing if it's better or not. So YM, same thing. So let's do this quickly. Now with YM, that's something that I'll backtest. It's not strategy yet or nothing. Main strategy is Nasdaq, which I know works. Now YM, on the 4 hour I didn't see any gap. 1 hour I seen this gap right there. Go on the 5 minute. Now the thing is, YM, we can only trade after 9. So that's what I'll be backtesting to see if it makes sense, you know what I mean? So if I was trading before 9:05, we got confirmation of this gap and I would have been in and lost, right? Like I said, the strategy that I use works best for Nasdaq. But now for YM, if I wait after 9:30 or 9:30, as we can see right there, 9:30 filled in this gap. Sorry. Filled in this gap and then where is it? And then rejected. So from there, 9:35, we're in. Now for YM or US 30, we're gonna be risking 50 for 100, like that. And be looking for trade after 9:30. So as you can see right there, it even filled in this Asia low and this gap. So right there would have been done not even 5 minutes later. Okay. So yeah, this is something that I'll check, and if it's easier than Nasdaq, I'll look into it. If not, I'll just stick to Nasdaq. But yeah, if this works good enough, then we'll see. Let's see previous day real quick without any analysis. 1 hour gap. Now this day 9:05 filled in the gap and rejected instantly. No confirmation. And then dropped. So yeah, I'll check YM. Maybe I need no confirmation. Maybe I need to wait for 9:30. We'll see for US 30. Why do I want to check it out? I mean, just for fun. It's the weekend, you know, there's nothing else to do. And another reason is because 50 for 100, one contract is 250. So because right now on Nasdaq with my current setup, one contract is 500. So yeah, I'll just want to see. So yeah, anyway, if you guys enjoyed the video, please just subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.